Hey, my lovely creatures, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing well and you're keeping safe. If you are new here, my humble self is RosesGlam, and on today's video, before I start, I just want to first of all apologize to you all if you've not been seeing me or I've not visited you for for some time now. Please do forgive me. Yeah, sometimes most of you might see me in one person's or the other, but I've not visited you. It's not that is intentional. It's just that whenever I'm kind of doing something and it pop up, if my hands are free, I just click it and join. And if you watch most of them, even if I watch, I don't even have the time to kind of leave a feedback or comment on the video. I'm so sorry about that. Yes, what else do I need to say? I would just want to apologize to you guys. Yeah, and you all will see me shortly. I just want to do a quick video to just let you guys know that yes, I'm still breathing, I'm alive, and yeah, just a lot of work going around, but yeah, I'll be coming back very very soon. Okay, so let's just hop into today's video. Okay, I just want to do a quick unboxing. I got this package since Saturday. I've not been able to open it, reason being that I just want to use it to create a small content and use the opportunity to tell you guys I'm still alive, that I miss you all, that I will be coming back soon, and apologize for you guys not seeing my face. Okay, so this here, I know what is inside because I ordered it with the help of my neighbor. Okay, I ordered it. Is a kind of fit beat wristwatch. I've had this watch before, but unfortunately when we went for Vikings and all that, afterwards the watch got broken. Previously I have been posting kind of a workout video, and at the time I stopped because I felt that my channel, the workout is taking over my channel. My channel is not all about workout, so I stopped. Yes, I will continue again, but it's not going to be like everyday drop out. I do my fitness every day, but I'm not going to be dropping it every day. But in this situation, I bought this watch. Yeah, you guys will see it soon. I bought this watch. If you have the opportunity, because there is this character I cultivated lately. Okay, kind of steps, I count steps. Okay, 10,000, 15,000, 20 steps according to how your strength leads you. Some people, they cannot jump up, some people they cannot do anything. So I am going to pull you guys together on this. Okay, we are going to do it. Okay, first of all, let's just unbox this. Afterwards, when I'm ready, we are going to do it together. I will give you the code, and it's really helpful. This will keep you going. You don't really need to get this. Okay, let's just see what is inside first. Okay, okay, just this. Okay, I got this, like I said earlier on. I used to have something like this, but not really this particular one, and it got spoiled. So why I got this, I found out that the steps, before it could keep the records, I have to hold my phone, either in the pocket, I hold it in the hand, and that makes my hand is not free to kind of work out, dance the way I want. So I decided to go this. Like I said, my neighbor assisted me on this. Okay, so I decided to go for it. It's Fitbit. It keeps track of your record, your heartbeat, how many calories you've lost, kind of, you can set alarm with it and so forth. So this is how the carton looks like, and this is Fitbit Versa 2, Versa 2, we call it 2 here. So this is it. It's a smartwatch. Like I said, you don't really need to get this particular watch. You can look for other brands. Okay, you can iPhone watch, Samsung watch, or any other one that is less. Okay, and if you think that you can manage your phone, as long as it keeps you going and you hold it, it keeps tracks of your steps, that is good as well. Okay, so this is it. I decided to do this because I'm busy, with my computer working over there, and I know if I sit on that computer, I am not going to do this. Okay, I decided to leave whatever I'm doing just to quickly touch up my face to do this, so that I am going to use it to start doing my steps. Okay, so, and yeah, like the other one, it didn't come with extra band. I can see now, I'm just opening this, I don't know what's inside. Okay, I see that this one comes with extra band. Yeah, just one. Okay, let's see what came with it. Okay, I'm sure this is going to be manual of it. Yeah, like I said, the extra how do they call this, extra leather or hand or whatever. So it comes with this and with the pin here in case this one goes off, is particularly for this one. So it comes with this, so you can fix this in case this one got broken. And let's see what else that comes with it. Is cable. You can actually charge it. Okay, this is how it actually comes. You just okay, when you plug it on the USB cable, all you need to do is to place the watch here and it will keep charging whenever it's filled up. I'm sure from the manual we are going to see it's already charging, you see. So we are going to read through that. On this particular one, it shows what came with it. So the charger, to remove slide pin. Okay, when you want to fix it and all that, everything is here. You can actually see there, and these are the things that came with it. Okay, so it has English translation or English written instruction on how you can go ahead to fix that one. And on the manual as well, it has English instruction on how you can fix it, how you can take care of it. Okay, so now that I got this, I'm going to continue counting my steps without holding my phone. How do I go about that? If you don't know, you are going to synchronize it with your phone. You know, every movement you move, as long as the watch is in your hand, it will be recording in your phone. You'll be seeing the steps that you have done. So that is one good thing about it. So this is it. What do you all think about this video? If you like it, do give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much, and don't worry guys, I have you all in mind. I love you guys, and I will be back soon. This is, like I said, this is to let you know that I'm alive. Yes, and in my next video is going to be the steps. Okay, I will show you what I've done so far, and if you wish to join, I'm going to tag 1 or 2 persons. If you wish to, you know, join, just tag along. Let's just do this together. You know, especially for those who cannot really do heavy workout, this is the easiest and simplest way you can keep yourself healthy. All right guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and you know what, I will catch you up again in my next upload. But don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye for now. Bye.